Hello, welcome back. Today we're coming to you live from NC State University Libraries.
That's right, and we're so glad that you're joining us today for a special look at some of the technology available to borrow as a student from the libraries.
We're going to show you some of the essential things you'll need.
We're also going to take a look at some of the more unusual items available for tech lending.
I'm so excited for you to see what we have in store for you today.
Great, well let's get started with our first item.
So for our first item, we have this beautiful laptop and charger. This is essential for any student. This particular model right here is a 13-inch MacBook Air, but if you're not a fan of Macs, we also have PCs available.
Wow, and I love the color casing on this, bright red, which is perfectly in line with NC State's color and theme of think and do. That's great. So you can tell this is a newer model too. That's wonderful. So tell me, how can a student get their hands on one of these?
It's so easy. All they have to do is bring their NC State ID to our Ask Us desk. Whenever we're open and available, we will check this item out to you for 8 hours, and you're able to do whatever you need to. Finish your assignments, watch Netflix. It's all super easy and available for you.
Wow, easy as that.
Super, super easy.
Oh, wow, guys, come on, check out. This is such a wonderful resource for you all.
Yes.
Dang, I got all the way to work this morning and my phone just died. Now I have to go all the way home just to get a charger.
You do not have to go all the way home. The libraries has chargers available for checkout. All kinds of models. iPhone, Android, anything that you might need. And that's a perfect fit. That's a lightning cable right there.
Yeah, that's great.
It's available for 8-hour checkout, and all you need is your NC State University ID, and it's available for you. Oh wait, and guess what? It's completely free.
Completely free? Free! Oh man, gotta love the libraries.
You can say that again.
Gotta love the libraries.
Hey. Imagine that you have a project where you need some images for. Well, the library is there for you. We have DSLR cameras, which you can have high quality action shots available, or if you're on the move and you want some images, we have these GoPro that my colleague has on her head.
Yeah, and check out the amazing type of action shots you can get when you've got it on your head and you're in the move, and you can see my colleague and you can see the cameras, and it's got a cool variety that you can take with you.
Well, how cool is that?
Very cool indeed. So tell me, how can students access these amazing items?
Just like our other items, we are able to check this out to you at our Ask Us desk for 7 days as opposed to 8 hours. So if you need it for a longer term project, this is perfect for you.
Wow, that's amazing, guys. Come check out the cameras and other resources we have available.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for joining us to see some of the things that we have at NC State University Library's Technology Lending.
Yes, and don't forget to check out our Technology Lending webpage for a more extensive list of everything available to you at the libraries.
Thank you for joining us. See you.
Wait. We didn't talk about these.
We don't have time for that right now. It's time to go. Next time.
See you next time.